Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planting some herbs with Rockwool in the net pots. The Rockwool comes out pretty nice when it's worked on. You can see my basil plants look pretty good and they drop right in there and then they'll be covered. We'll get into that in a minute. But first, when I drilled these holes out, they left it really rough. And in the last video, I told you about this tool and how nice it cleans up. And you can see this hole here is nice and clean. I'll bring it closer to the camera. You can see how rough they are, except the one that I did with the with this tool. So I'm gonna get back to you in a second. I'm gonna clean up all these and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, so now we got all these rings nicely cleaned up, we can put our material in them. Now I have the herbs here. I have 2 basil plants, and what I did with those guys is, let me get one of these out here. In the net pot, you put the clay pellets, and you have this grow it clay pellets, and you have to rinse them first. I have some in water here. You just rinse them out, get the dust off, because they're a lot of dust and they would just contaminate your master blend. So after you got your everything set, like this here, I have my parsley, I have 2 basils, I have 2 parsley, I have 2 dill, and they're going to grow up and you can keep snipping them back and they'll get thicker. And I have 2 thyme, regular common thyme, English thyme I have out in the garden. So there we go. It's something really simple to do, and it takes only a few minutes to get that cleaned up, and you have your herb garden, and you can make as many as you want. All right, that's about it. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, questions, let me know. And if you like this kind of information, please subscribe. Thank you.